Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 22 pack of reusable bags. These are some nice thick bags that have a double zipper on them. So there's your first layer of zipper, and I have a whole separate layer to make sure that the stuff that is in there stays in there and stays sealed. It also has a design that allows you to put them upright and they will stay. I absolutely love that because I do a lot of things and you just need one hand to kind of hold it up. And this does it, and you can see how thick this is. This is really nice, and I love that they're reusable because we do a lot of little snacks for kids, and you can just put your snacks in there, seal it up. These things can go in the microwave, they can go in the dishwasher and clean it up. They're leak proof. I'll fill it up with some water and we will show you how they're leak proof. All right, so we're gonna add some water in here. So if you were doing anything that had a juice, you just get that double seal on here. So it is completely leak proof. There's no water coming out at all, and it stands up. I absolutely love that. There are 22 in this pack. And like I said, it's got this double zipper. So I can undo one zipper and it's still leak proof. And then you can undo that second one. You just set them out to dry and they're ready to be used again.